Hello friends and followers. So what do you see there? That's the famous 7660 chip. Its purpose is to provide a negative voltage to the DSP on the Omni 6 Plus motherboard. So I've replaced this damn thing before in another Omni, and I got a video on that probably a few years ago, and I had some little sockets still from that job, and I had a couple of these chips around, so we did the same thing. Replaced these 10 UF capacitors and a 33 UF and see if it works. Tedious work. The trouble is you can't really get those capacitors out very easily. Some of them anyway. Anyway, so it's all been replaced. Now, of course, we're in this job of putting the motherboard back into the radio, into the Omni 6 Plus with 10,000 million wires that it has. But I took a few pictures, so hopefully that's going to go well. But yeah, that little circuit's a real bugger. There's a circuit right there. And there's the 7660 chip. So I replaced this capacitor here, which looks like it's probably a timing thing to make this thing oscillate and cause some negative voltage. Replaced this one here too. And I think I missed one of these. Hopefully it'll still work. I didn't replace that one, couldn't get it out easily. And it had 8.2 volts right here going in, so I didn't worry about that. What I want to worry about is what's coming through this thing here, and I should get some negative voltage out to the chip up here. So that's all there is to it. Oh, look at that. Looks like this is a charge pump of some sort here, which doesn't seem right. I'm not really sure what this chip does. It's talking to the DSP though. It wants a modest voltage, that's for sure. Bunch of capacitors here too. Oh well, I guess I'll put the board back in and see what it does. If I can at least see some negative voltage now here, that will be a bonus. We'll see if this thing's going. So this is just a regulator going in. This regulates 5.6 minus coming out, and this is basically a voltage pass transistor. I guess it's trying to get -5 or 5.6 coming into here. All right, so we'll see how it goes. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.